Yes, yes, that is a 5090. I told you guys I had a surprise for y'all. It's finally time to upgrade. It's finally time. Now, I told you guys, I know the 5080 is not a bad car. I know. But for me personally, it was just not enough. So now we finally got a 5090. No more excuses. No more bottlenecks. None of the stupid stuff. Now this is crazy because it comes with a 4 cables, bro. That is, you need 4 PCIe. If you don't have a 12 high volt power cable, you do need 4 PCIe for this, bro. So if you don't have a PSU that have a 12 high volt power cable, I feel bad for you. Also, it does come with the mount, like the GPU brackets, the SAG mount. That is pretty neat. My 5080 didn't come with that. The fact that this one comes with it, it is pretty neat. Whoa. Now one thing I noticed off the jump. This graphics card is a little bit smaller than my graphics card. This 5090 is a little bit smaller than my 5080, which I found kind of weird. And it's less heavier than my 5080. I don't know how that works. As you guys saw me unseated here. Oh baby, look at that. Look at that. Now, what I like about this graphics card is the fans have LEDs in them, so when it's spinning. But we'll get to that in a minute. I just wanted to show you guys how it look and everything. Yeah, like I said, this one is a little bit smaller than my 5080. I will show comparisons after this. Now, we're gonna cut to me installing it because I still have to clean my PC. Like I have to dust it, even though I dusted like a month ago. But I have a carpet, so I have to every month or 2 months I have to dust it. If not, it's just a whole pool of just dust. We're gonna cut to that part right now. Now, I want to show you guys. Oh, look at that white hair. I wanted to show you guys something unique that you guys don't even know about. Wait. Now, there's the big boy right here. Now, there's something I wanted to show you guys. You guys seen my videos on my channel and whatnot. You know that my 5080 actually runs pretty cool. But then look at this. This is gonna blow your mind. Do you see how much spacing is there? Like, let me see if I could just, you guys see how much spacing is there? There's barely any spacing between the glass and the GPU. And my GPU still stays completely cool. Now, at first, I was gonna get like a different case for it. But then this case has fans under here, like right here, like right under the GPU. Let me take this glass off. Okay, much better. So right here, there's 2 fans under here. And these 2 fans actually provide the GPU enough air. But as you can see, there's barely any clearance between the GPU and the glass. But since the glass is a little bit away from here, now the reason why this happened is because I did not know that height had I didn't know height had like the same model between the Y60 and the Y70. At the time when I built this PC a year ago, I did not know. You know, I was just like, oh shit, it's the same case. I was uneducated on the topic. So I bought the Y60 because it was $180 versus $400. So I'm like, why the hell this one costs $400 just because it's white, when I could just buy the black one for $180? And that's what ended up happening. But yeah, big mistake. But yeah, I'm rocking a Corsair cooler over here, the Titan, the 360. Now here, I also, when I was building the PC, I did not know it only had space for 3 120 millimeters. I ended up putting 2 140 again, uneducated, but you know. But I will see you guys once the swap is done. Okay, so now we got it cleaned out. I can show you guys a little bit better. You see there's fans on here that they spin and is able to, you know, ventilate the graphics card. But so yeah, so in the Y60, this is 2-4 out. And even if I unscrew this, I can screw it back a little bit, but then where am I gonna put the graphics card? As you guys can see, it has nothing to latch on. And this card was already a 3-slot card anyways. But yeah, that was the issue I ran into, but the graphic card runs pretty cool. I will see you guys back on the size comparison. Now, size comparison time. As you guys can see, this is the 5080 on the right. This is the 5080. This is the 5090. Don't mind my ashy ass hands. As you guys can see, the 5080 is a slightly longer than the 5090. This is an Asus TUF Gaming 5080. This is a Gigabyte. I forgot the name of this one. I will insert it here. But it's a Gigabyte. I think is WindForce or Wind whatever gaming. Now the interesting part is when you come even on the thickness level, even the 5080 is thicker. So if anything, this graphics card should run even smooth, even cooler than my 5080, because the 5080 I have was kind of bulky. So we just got to put it in there, and we will see you back in the studio. All right, graphics card in, first boot, and everything seems to be good. Oh yeah, that's glorious. Yeah, don't mind that screen. That shit always does that. And then after about 20-30 minutes, it stops. This is stupid. All right, we'll see you on boot up. I don't know why I just does this. So I don't know why it looks like that. We'll see you all in the studio in a second. So now we got everything all set up. If you guys never see my setup, this is my POV. I got my racing monitor here, my mic, my gaming monitor, my productivity monitor, my PS5, Series X back here, my Xbox 360, got my remote, my candy, my headset, Astro A50s, Gen 3s. I got the light right here. I got another light right here. Then my camera, which you guys see me from. Then my keyboard, my mouse, my 50. Now, this is my 4060 right here. My first graphics card, so tiny. Compared to this one, look how tiny it is. I just keep it there as a memorabilia. I have my Portal here, my Quest 3, my PS5 remote, speakers. I got these at Walmart for $20, man. These are sleepers, man. My remote, and also the thing that powers it all, how I'm able to upgrade to a 5090, is I have this right here, the Corsair HX 1500i, underrated power supply. I got this one because I knew I was gonna upgrade to a 5090 eventually. So this is exactly why. But I will see you guys on the other side. So a little update. Yeah, it was overheating. So at the current moment, as you guys see, it is running about 91, 92%, 340, 400 watts. It fluctuates. But as you guys can see, the top GPU, don't pay attention to that. That's the integrated graphics card. I didn't even know the 7800 XOD had integrated graphics. But the GPU 2 on the bottom, that is a 5090. So it's been maintaining pretty well with the glass off. Now that makes me question if I was actually suffocating my 5080 and exactly why it wasn't performing. But I have 2 fans under this, 2 fans there, 3 up top. So is the 3 up top is exhaust, the 1 in the back is exhaust. These 2 on the sides is intake, and the 2 on the bottom is intake. So it's pretty evened out on airflow. So my case is either I'm gonna have to remove the riser cable and just mount it horizontally, and then or just get a new case. But let me know what you guys think. I'm currently at a crossroads here. I'm literally stuck. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to rock like this for the foreseeable future, like for right now, and then later on just get a case. Just let me know which case will actually be good. Should I upgrade to the Hype Y70, or should I just go for the Leon Lee like the 9, I think it is, whichever one it is that I see a lot online. Let me know what you guys think. So a quick update. I had to take the whole PC apart. I will be changing cases. 5090 right there. I will be changing cases to the H9 flow. I gave up on this case because for this case I took off the cable riser, and for me to use it without the cable riser, this part right here, this was getting in the way. There's no way for me to take this off so I could fully see the graphics card here. It just kept crashing with this, and I was just getting real frustrated. So I just ended up just disarming it and taking it apart. I might sell it, but it's a Y60, so I don't think anybody with a big graphics card is gonna be able to have it. But I'll keep you guys updated on the next step. Okay, so I just picked up the case. I got the NCXT Flow H9. I had to get new fans because the other case that I had, the fans that I had on that came with the case, and I didn't feel like unplugging stuff. So I just got more of the same fans that I already got on my build, and let's get to building. All right, finally done. Let's see. First boot. I don't have the glass on, so I'm a little bit nervous. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy, something not right. Duh. Jesus. Okay. I don't know why that happens to everybody. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The top fans don't seem to be turning on. I don't know why. Oh, there it is. Oh man. That took me an hour to swap everything over. Well, that's because I know what I'm doing, so that's probably why. Now, it's not clear until we post. Like I said, don't pay attention to my AIO. I also have this CPU bracket because as soon as I installed it, I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. As soon as I installed this, it was sagging like crazy. Okay, it looks like it's gonna post. So I have intake, exhaust, and exhaust. Same setup I had before, but I just have 2 extra fans. So now I have 6 in, 4 out. Just waiting for post. Taking a sweet time. Uh-oh. Now, I don't know about you guys. I finally got some display in, so that means we're about to post. I don't know about you guys, but I have an MSI B650 MAG Tomahawk, and this thing takes like, I mean, you guys are watching it with me. From boot up, it's like 3 minutes. Like, this video is currently 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We just don't know which, because I have 3 monitors, so we don't know which one is gonna post first. We're waiting to see which one is posted first. But there you have it. I took off the glass because in case we do run into an issue, I was just, you know, it's bad luck to put the glass panel on first boot up. We just trying to see which one is gonna post. The DRAM light turned on and it turned back off. Okay. Up. Posting, let's go. We got posting. Is about to start its thing. Hopefully it posts. I'm almost done, mama. Almost. And there it goes. Can we load into Windows? If we load into Windows, we are cooking. Okay. Why you didn't help me? Oh man, this was flipping everything over. Get a 5090, they said, huh? Right? The reason I'm not skipping this is because I'm leaving it in real time, how long it takes. I'm recording this off my phone. Well, it looks really sick. It looks better than the height Y60. Definitely better. And hopefully we don't get no GPU sag. It looks pretty straight. Also, for some reason, the inside looks a little bit more clean. I gotta clean up those cables back there, pull them back a little bit more so I can get like a cleaner look. Now, my only concern is this cable right here. This cable, when I was pulling it, the socket was bending. So that's why I pulled the thing back, because I don't want the socket bent. And we posted. All right. Hold on. And we up and running, ladies and gentlemen. That was an easy swap. Now I just gotta go back into IQ Link. Oh shit. Gotta go back into IQ Link, set everything up. Oh man, that looks clean. Looks clean. But it's definitely getting some air because it's kind of cold in there. I've never seen it this low on the temperature. But that also could be because I left it overnight. Oh, it's changing. See, as soon as IQ Link takes over, and then it starts with the color. So that's it. Pretty much done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So it's been running for about an hour, and this is Tokyo Swim Racer. So this game, it has a feature that you can just leave the car on autopilot, so I could just test. So after an hour, we've had, surprisingly, even the CPU is at 58 degrees or 60. Usually it used to run like around 75. But I don't know, is it because I put new thermal paste or is because of the airflow? But as you guys see, the difference from 80 to 64 is like a huge difference. And it just hovers around there at 96%, 98, 95. Like, definitely way better for airflow, the H9 Flow, as opposed to the height Y70 or the 60. So this is the final build. I actually like how it came out. Now this one doesn't have tinted windows as the other one. My height. The Y60 had the tinted glass. But yeah, don't mind the temperature. I was just playing just now, testing it. I've been testing it for like 6 hours straight, and the temperature doesn't pass 60. So we're all good there. So that was interesting. Everything went not according to plan. Everything went terrible. The fact that I had to swap out the case, that I got a little bit mad, to be honest. I felt like returning the card, because I was just like, my 5080 was running completely fine before then, and then the 5090 was overheating. Kind of put the whole thing into perspective, and I'm pretty sure eventually my PC was just gonna stop working because of overheating issues. That case is terrible. The Y60, stay away from the Y60. Like, just go Y70. Don't make the same mistake as I did. I made a huge mistake and got a Y60, and it was just chaos, as you guys saw unfold. But nonetheless, I did actually enjoy building a new, I wasn't building a new VC, it was just transferring over, but it felt good because I actually did it pretty quick. I don't know how, I just remember everything. This is my third time building a PC. It's my third PC, man, and my hands already itching. Like, I want to build another one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you made it this far, I do appreciate you guys watching the whole thing through. Might as well like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I did record a few videos on my 5080. I've had the 5090 sitting there for about 2 weeks. I was just recording videos for the 5080 before I swap it out, because once I swap it out, I'm pretty sure I'm not swapping it back in, because I'm not gonna be doing the DDU back and forth, you know. But nonetheless, man, thank you guys for stopping by, man, and I'll see you guys next time, man. Take care.